A commercial pilot reported hitting one last month while descending at JFK Airport.
You said you collided?
Yep, it hit us right above the cockpit.
And a few weeks ago, a near miss near Newark.
We almost hit a drone right there about 100 feet below us.
Drones flying in restricted airspace near local airports is happening more than you might think. Since 2024, we found there have been close to 500 drone sightings near airports in the tri-state, including 49 at Newark, 79 at JFK, and 123 at LaGuardia. And those are just the ones that have been reported to the FAA.
Taking off.
Adam Kyle's a certified drone instructor.
You can have a severely adverse effect to aviation. You can take down an aircraft. You could cause serious harm to people. You could cause serious accidents in general.
Not only are unauthorized drones not allowed near airports, they're not allowed to be flown above 400 feet. In most of the cases in the tri-state, they're being reported at altitudes much higher than that. This FAA report shows a drone spotted near Newark at 1,600 feet. It almost hit the left wing of an aircraft. Another report of one at LaGuardia at 2,400 feet. The plane descended to avoid the object.
Drones can see planes, planes cannot see drones.
Drone spottings can lead to airports shutting down runways, causing flight delays. And a strike could lead to much worse.
Completely unsafe, complete violation of the rules.
The former VP of the FAA says it can be especially dangerous if a drone hits the nose or the engine of the plane or strikes a helicopter.
When you have all these drones operating close to LaGuardia Airport, it's really pushing that airport past the limits of safety and efficiency.
The FAA telling us, we want to send a clear message that operating drones around airplanes, helicopters, and airports is dangerous and illegal. Unauthorized operators are subject to stiff fines and criminal charges, including possible jail time.
They are taking enforcement much more seriously, and that can lead to steep civil penalties, fines, and potential legal recourse as well.
And as the technology advances, we'll only be seeing more of them fly to new heights in new places.